Yo, this your boy Mary Mills, and I'm out here with the Street Predators of Ohio, President Thomas and his cuz VP JG. So, how long have you guys been doing the Street Predators?
We've been doing it about 18 months.
How'd you guys get started?
Well, actually, he was part of another club and wanted me to join that one, but I wasn't really feeling them. But he found this other club. They was stationed out of Virginia. It just so happened he was going to vacation in Virginia. Met up with the national president of we got like 16 chapters.
Okay.
And dude gave us the blessing to start the Predators up here, so we did, and we just tapped into our own little personal circles.
Okay.
And recruited the type of cars that we're looking for that's required to be in this club, and we just started from there. We just been building ever since. We was like 15 cars deep last summer. We like 60 cars deep right now.
Okay.
Doing crazy stuff, mad stuff in the community.
Yeah, I see y'all do a lot in the community. I want to tap on that a little bit.
Yeah, we do community service as far as working with the homeless. We work with the Hours House for the ladies, wayward ladies who's been incarcerated for some time. They go through a halfway house and do some classes and everything to get transitioned back into the civilian world. So we was there for that, where we actually was there to celebrate their graduation and feed them. We've done stuff with the Como House, Family for Blankets, Hygiene Pantry, and we got the Toys for Tots coming up and Trunk or Treat in a couple weeks.
Okay. Not to mention our little backpack giveaway we did with a whole car wash and everything, which was very successful. We gave like 100 backpacks away. So with school supplies in them.
That's a blessing.
Yeah. So it was a good turnout. We had
Okay, so in the next 2 years, where can we see the Street Predators of Ohio?
I can see us, first of all, taking over capital city, Columbus, Ohio, and then taking over this whole state. Street Predators as a whole is taking over this whole nation.
And at the same time, we got to all chapters meet in April, where they're giving out a life-size trophy for the chapter that comes down there and represents the hardest. And you see how we rep. So we plan on rolling down there at least 30 cars deep, tearing up about 50 to 100 tires, and bringing home the trophy back to the city. You feel me?
There we go. There you have it, folks. They're going to bring home that trophy. All right, so I have the pleasure of interviewing a few members of the Street Predators. So first up, I have the only wild girl in the Street Predators. I'll let her introduce herself. What's your name?
Erin, aka E Boogie.
Hey, E Boogie. So what are you pushing, E Boogie?
I've got a 2020 Challenger Hellcat wide body.
Oh, wide body. Put some respect on her name. So how long have you been a wild girl?
Since I've been with the Street Predators chapter, which the Columbus chapter started up about a year and a half ago. So since then.
Okay, so what separates your car group versus any other car group out there?
We got the baddest cars in Columbus, for sure. And we are a family first and foremost. We have each other's backs, and that's how we roll.
All right, I like that. All right, so I'm doing interviews for the Street Predators of Ohio, and it only made sense that I had to reach out to one of the hottest wild boys in this joint. I'll let him introduce himself.
They call me Dezo.
What's good, Dezo? What you pushing?
Something crazy, something demonic. 2017 RT Challenger.
Okay, so how long you been in the car group?
I've been in a car group for like 2.5 months. I'm a wild boy in a car group, so.
So how long have you had a passion for cars?
My whole life. I mean, like when I was younger, my dad had brought home a tote full of Hot Wheels, and I took them out. I started playing with them. I started collecting them. Every day I'm in a bedroom going vroom vroom. You feel me? As I got older, I was always into car games. I was always pointing out cars, but I ain't really get into muscle or anything until, like, for real, I met this group of people.
All right, so I have the pleasure of speaking with another member of the Street Predators. I'll let him introduce himself. What's your name, sir?
My name's Chris.
Hey, Chris, what are you pushing?
I have a 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack.
Hey, that's nice.
Yeah,
it is.
Like,
so how long you been a member of the Street Predators?
I've been involved with the Predators for about 8 months now.
Okay, so what makes your car group different than any other car group out there?
We do a lot of volunteer work in the community, helping out homeless shelters, feeding the homeless, dropping off clothes. We've had a homework drive where we gave out backpacks to kids that were starting school. We also mentor our young men and women's prospects, not just about cars, but about making themselves better young men and women today.